Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add your phone number in Google Meet. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded Google Meet on your phone or you can use the web. After going to Google Meet, now you tap on the three dashes on the top left corner of your phone. Then open Settings. Now you have to scroll down. Then choose the calling account. Next step is to choose the phone number button. Then choose the country code and add your phone number. After you added your number, now you let it send you a code so you can verify your number. And that's all. This is how you add your phone number in Google Meet. This action helps people who know your phone number can reach you across Google services. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe.